My favorite way to hook them is just go right under his chin. Right under his chin like that. Spin around. Put the hook all the way through him. Pop it back out. Like that. Alright, let's see if we'll catch one on that. Oh, fish on. See, this tactic works amazing. And there's just no, I don't think I've ever had better fish in this pond. As soon as you throw that cicada in there, you got a fish. There we go. Then you should find yourself another cicada. Got another fish. You don't need a whole cicada, they'll eat pretty much anything. Half of one. Put it off this tree. It's a great source, and the cicadas know that it's there's a ton of cicadas here, and the fish are used to us being here, so they're ready to get to so they're grouping around here, and so it's a perfect opportunity. So you want the hook to go all the way through them, because otherwise you won't catch many, and they'll just eat your cicada. Yeah. The cicadas will grab onto you. If you don't like handling bugs, this might not be the best for you. Oh, there we go. Whew. Nice brim. He didn't even get the cicada. See. Alright, well, we'll just throw that cicada in again. Yeah, this strategy works amazing. Darn it, something jumped at it, but it didn't eat it. So that's sometimes what'll happen. They'll just jump right over it. But yep, there we go. Got him. Also, you guys gotta be careful. If you're doing this, don't just let them bite into it good, because if you jerk the hook as soon as they splash up, then good chance you won't get the cicada. They won't get the cicada, and so you won't get them. It's good to fish in one spot, because if you fish in one spot, I've been fishing here for a while, they will congregate, and you can just catch as many as you can think of. I've been catching mostly brim, Caught about 3 bass or so, though. I'll let you have that one, but I don't know. He sort of swallowed the hook, but I think I can get it out. There we go. I'll tell you what, buddy. Alright, let's get another one. See, I've caught 3 fish with this one cicada. See, I bet I can catch and get another one to bite with just this head. There we go. Alright. Sometimes you can get them with just a head. If this doesn't work, I'll just get them with a cicada. But the live ones work real good. Yeah, I have caught them on heads, but it doesn't work quite as good as the normal cicada. The whole cicada. That's not a head, that's a fish eye. Not good. Didn't mean to take his eye. Okay, let's see. There they are. You can use live ones, you can use dead ones. You can use. I don't know, I wouldn't take the chance of trying to catch them with shells. You probably could. Your best opportunity is going to be big live ones that'll flap their wings in the water. Because you want as much attraction being called to the cicada as possible. If you want to fill up a cooler, this is the way to do it. You are not going to get many bass, but from this, I mean, compared to other types of fishing, it's average. Like, you'll get a whole lot more bass doing this than you will in the other method, but comparatively, you won't get that many bass. There we go. Remember, you gotta thread them down. Might catch something. Sometimes you just want to use it like a cane pole. There we go. It's pretty small. So good. Those are cool. Got a little bit of almost pink on there. Nice fish. You can go and try other areas. Might go and try that, but I mean, the fishing can't get any better than here. Hey, Dad. Good.
Oh, there's one on the rod here. Right by the hook. I thought he was on the hook, but he wasn't. He was just using the rod as his resting place.
Yeah, there's a ton of them. They are trying to. Yeah.